day, students. I am Mrs. Oludipe Odubolanle Oluremi. I am your mathematics teacher for this session. And the topic to be treated is simultaneous linear equation in two variables involving fractions. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to solve simultaneous linear equation in two variables involving fractions using different methods. Enjoy the lesson. Simultaneous linear equation in two variables involving fractions. Example 1. WASSCE 2014 Question 3a. Solve the simultaneous equations 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5. 1 over y minus 1 over x is equal to 1. Solution. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5, equation 1. 1 over y minus 1 over x is equal to 1, equation 2. Rearrange equation 2 in alphabetical order. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5, equation 1. Minus 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1, equation 3. Add equations 1 and 3 together. We have 1 over y plus 1 over y is equal to 5 plus 1. 1 plus 1 over y is equal to 6. Multiply both sides by y. That is the reciprocal of 1 over y. Y times 2 over y is equal to 6 times y. 2 is equal to 6y. Divide both sides by 6 to get the value of y. 2 over 6 is equal to 6y over 6. 1 over 3 is equal to y. Substitute 1 over 3 for y in equation 1. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5. 1 over x plus 1 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 5. 1 over x plus 1 times 3 over 1 is equal to 5. 1 over x plus 3 over 1 is equal to 5. 1 over x is equal to 5 minus 3. 1 over x is equal to 2. Multiply both sides by x, the reciprocal of 1 over x. 1 over x times x is equal to 2 times x. 1 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2 to get the value of x. 1 over 2 is equal to 2x over 2. 1 over 2 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2 and y is equal to 1 over 3. Let's go on a short break. Welcome back. To check Using equation 1. To check if your solved equation is balanced, the value in right-hand side must be equal to the left-hand side in the two given equations. Now, 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5. 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 5. 2 over 1 plus 3 over 1 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Hence, the equation is balanced. Alternative method. Solve the simultaneous equations 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 5. 1 over y minus 1 over x is equal to 1. Solution. Let P be equal to 1 over x and Q is equal to 1 over y. P plus Q is equal to 5. Equation 1. Q minus P is equal to 1. Equation 2. Rearrange equation 2. We have minus P plus Q is equal to 1. Equation 3. Solving the resulting equations. P plus Q is equal to 5. Equation 1. Minus P plus Q is equal to 1. Equation 3. Add equations 1 and 3 together. We have 2q is equal to 6. Divide the equation by 2. 2q over 2 is equal to 6 over 2. Q is equal to 3. Substitute 3 for Q in equation 1. P plus Q is equal to 5. P plus 3 is equal to 5. P is equal to 5 minus 3. P is equal to 2. Changing to our original variables, we have P is equal to 1 over x. 2 is equal to 1 over x. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 2. And Q is equal to 1 over y. 3 is equal to 1 over y. 3y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 2. Y is equal to 1 over 3. Don't go away. I will be right back. Welcome back. Example 2. NECO 2009 question 9b. Solve the simultaneous equations 3 over c minus 4 over d is equal to 1 over 3. 2 over c minus 5 over d is equal to 1. Solution. Hint. Put x is equal to 1 over c and y is equal to 1 over d. Here, the examiner gave us a guide to follow. 3 over c minus 4 over d is equal to 1 over 3. And 2 over c minus 5 over d is equal to 1 becomes 3 brackets 1 over c minus 4 brackets 1 over d is equal to 1 over 3. And 2 brackets 1 over c minus 5 brackets 1 over d is equal to 1. Substituting 1 over c for x and 1 over d for y, we have 3x minus 4y is equal to 1 over 3, equation 1. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1, equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 3 to clear the fraction. 9x minus 12y is equal to 1, equation 3. Working with equations 2 and 3. Multiply equation 2 by 9 and 3 by 2. 18x minus 45y is equal to 9, equation 4. 18x minus 24y is equal to 2, equation 5. Subtracting equation 5 from 4, we have minus 21y is equal to 7. Minus 21y all over minus 21 is equal to 7 over minus 21. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3. Substitute minus 1 over 3 for y in equation 2. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. 2x minus 5 brackets minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1. 2x plus 5 over 3 is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1 minus 5 over 3. 2x is equal to 3 minus 5 over 3. 2x is equal to minus 2 over 3. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 is equal to minus 2 over 3 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. X is equal to minus 1 over 3. Next, we change C and D into the original equations. X is equal to 1 over C, that is, C is equal to 1 over X. C is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 over 3, which is equal to C is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 1 over D, that is, D is equal to 1 over Y. D is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 over 3. D is equal to 1 times minus 3 over 1. D is equal to minus 3. Therefore, C is equal to minus 3 and D is equal to minus 3. Thank you for listening. Stay safe